Guys, let me teach you how to set up your Facebook monetization dashboard. These days, to create a Facebook page is kind of a little bit difficult. Maybe Facebook make it difficult for weak creators. But anyway, you can use your personal account to create a business account. So what we are going to do here today is this. You go to your profile, the three dots are at the right hand side. You click on it, something like this. So after you click on it, you see professional mode. You click turn on your professional mode. This is a secret. No professional mode, no monetization. That is a fact, that is the truth. It's that you have a page or you turn on your professional mode. Next step is this. You treat your profile like a business. So you have to put a clear profile photo. Then you put out a clear bio. After setting up a clear profile picture, a clear bio that says what you are here for. After that, you pick your niche. A lot of people don't know what niche is. Niche is something that is your content directions, so you know what you are posting. If you are going to focus on relationship, you do so. If you are going to focus on money, you do so. If you are going to focus on cooking, food blogs, you do so. If you are going to go focus on lifestyle content, you do so. Pick one thing, not five, not two. One thing. Then when you click back, see your dashboard, something like this on my screen. Don't go and be posting memes. Meanwhile, what's said in your bio is you have a relationship matter. To give reasons to follow you. They might just go to your bio and say, content creator, a mother of two, or a student, and all of that. They will see what they are going to expecting from your content. So don't go and you write another thing in your bio and be posting another thing in your content. No. Facebook pays for posts, for original posts, and for authentic posts. When you click back, you will see your dashboard, something like this on my screen. After that, you go to your monetizational tools and submit your interest. They have different monetizational tools on Facebook. Like they have the content monetizational, the stars, the subscription, the partnerships. It depends your location. They also have the affiliates, where you will sell something from different brands like Amazon, Temu, different brands Facebook work with, and you earn commissions. And your location matters. So you submit once you saw in your monetizational tools, your monetizational dashboard. You submit the ones. After you submit it, just know they'll tell you you're on the wait list, like something like this on the screen. They'll tell you that you're on the wait list. Since you're on the wait list, meaning you should post consistently. And it's not only about posting consistently. Know what you are posting. It's not that today you will post this and tomorrow you post this other one. No. That is not how it's work. You post consistently and you post with directions. You post with your niche. If you're under a relationship, you post. That is how people who want to follow you say, I'm following this person for this particular thing. So this step I'm going to talk about depends on your niche. You post original content. So what are original content? These are content that you create yourself. These are content that you think, like you brought out the idea yourself. It's not about you going to someone's page to steal the person's content and posting it. Facebook don't tolerate that such nonsense. So there are two types of content. It's that you post faceless, which is you won't show your face at all, or you post the one you show your face. Faceless, what of this faceless is this AI relationship. You can just snap the environment, put up a text on there. That is faceless. But why fake the content is this? Why you posting that your lifestyle? So that is that for that. If you know this is like and follow. So bye bye. See you in my next vlog.